almost about to lose my faith. Was still dreaming, feared it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise, and stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue, simply by showing that you love me too, only by giving me your everything with a love so true. You took me out of the blue. I was wondering what love was all about. I was trying, couldn't work it out. But then you came along to my surprise, and made my frozen mind come alive. You took me